Toyota held its annual public presentation in Tokyo on May 9, 2024, where it announced its plans to dive into the world of electric cars. The EV market is surely becoming competitive, but when you set aside a massive investment worth 2 trillion yen or $13 billion that puts you in a strong position to enter the market with unmatched confidence. So, how is Toyota going to use this investment, and how much does it expect to get in return? Also, how many electric cars are we going to see by Toyota in the upcoming years? Let's find out. On May 8, 2024, Toyota Motor Corp made an exciting announcement. Their profits have soared to new heights in the fiscal year 2023, with an impressive 96.4% jump from the previous year, reaching an incredible 5,352.9 billion yen. This is the first time in history Toyota's profits have crossed the 5 trillion yen mark. Achieving this has made Toyota the first Japanese company to hit an annual operating profit of over 5 trillion yen. On this occasion, TMC CFO Yoichi Miyazaki appreciated all parties, from consumers and suppliers to the dealer network who trusted Toyota. Here's what he said: "We respect all Toyota consumers, suppliers, and dealers throughout the world. We are committed to products and services to grow together with all stakeholders." Now, if we talk about the financial achievements Toyota has managed in the past fiscal year, the numbers are truly astounding and somewhat unexpected in the best way possible. In the fiscal year that concluded in March, Toyota shattered expectations by nearly doubling its net profit to an unparalleled 4,944.9 billion yen. This figure is so monumental that it almost grazed the highest record a Japanese company has ever seen, which was set by SoftBank Group Corp, with 4,987.9 billion yen in March 2021. And that's not all. Toyota's sales saw a remarkable upsurge of 21.4%, soaring to 45,095.3 billion yen, setting yet another record. This financial success shows Toyota is in great shape financially. It's a perfect time for them as they plan to invest a whopping $13 billion into electric cars. Toyota has set aside this investment to pursue its operating income target of 4.3 trillion yen. That's huge! Imagine this. With 2 trillion yen or $13 billion backing them, Toyota is far beyond just dipping its toes into the electric car market. Out of this, around 380 billion yen is being allocated for something critical yet often overlooked: human resource development. Yes, Toyota is going big on powering up its team. They're putting this much money so everyone knows exactly what's up with electric cars. Think about the awesome wave this will create. Smarter teams mean everything runs like a dream, making the customers super happy. Toyota's multi-pathway approach is setting the automotive world on fire. Deep pockets are being tapped to fuel a mobility transformation that's nothing short of groundbreaking. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? That's what Toyota is doing here, and it's a smart move. Following its multi-pathway campaign, Toyota is focusing on different technologies for developing cars, such as battery electric vehicles, hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and even hydrogen-powered vehicles. Each path is being explored with an eagerness that speaks volumes about their commitment to innovation. And here's the kicker: they're pouring 1.7 trillion yen into crafting the foundation of software-defined vehicles. Despite the increase in competition, the figures for Toyota's operational performance in the last period are nothing short of stellar. Overall, the company experienced significant growth, with car sales reaching around 9.44 million units throughout the fiscal year 2024. This represents a 7% increase from the 8.82 million units sold in the previous period. Let's dive deeper into the geographic distribution of these sales highlights Toyota's global reach. North America emerged as one of Toyota's largest markets, with sales amounting to 2.8 million units. This is followed by Asia, where the company successfully sold 1.8 million units. Europe wasn't far behind, with sales reaching 1.19 million units, demonstrating Toyota's strong foothold in these competitive markets. The remaining 1.63 million units were distributed across Central and South America, Oceania, Africa, and the Middle East, underscoring Toyota's expansive and diversified global presence. Now, Toyota is looking to expand its global reach even further by investing in the development of electric cars. With growing concerns for the environment and a shift towards sustainable transportation, the demand for electric vehicles is on the rise. Currently, we have Tesla as the only non-Chinese competitor in the electric car market. Many car lovers don't like Chinese cars for many reasons. Some have trust issues regarding durability, while others don't have these vehicles in their countries. So, if Toyota jumps in with its legendary reputation for quality and reliability, it could easily become a dominant player in the industry. One possible EV by Toyota could be the compact cruiser EV, set to redefine off-road electrification with its launch. Anticipated to be an all-new model marking Toyota's bold entry into the electric SUV market for the 2026 model year, this vehicle is currently shrouded in mystery. While Toyota hasn't shared much, there's speculation that it might inherit some of its DNA from Lexus's inaugural electric vehicle, the RZ450e. This means we could see the compact cruiser EV boasting a 308 HP all-wheel drive system, promising to turn every terrain into an exciting adventure with an impressive range of up to 220 miles on a single charge. For the price, it could be somewhere around $35,000, making it a strong competitor in the electric SUV market. But still, we are far from any official confirmation from Toyota. Maybe with this new $13 billion investment, we can see other options coming before this 2026 model. Let me know in the comments section below what you think about Toyota and its plans for the electric car market. Do you think they have what it takes to dominate this industry? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel if you are new and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Goodbye.